Okay, well, luckily I have my partner in crime here to help me deal with this craziness. This was in my house, in my master bedroom. Pretty sure one of our cats, right? Which one do you think did it?
Cat.
Cat probably brought it. He, we think, is a sparrow.
A little American sparrow.
He's struggling, but we're gonna hope he makes it through the night, right?
Yeah. Captain Jack.
Captain Jack. So, yep, our little update on this little guy. Get a video of him. He's definitely bleeding, and I think his foot is broken, but we're gonna do what we can.